Hey guys, it's been raining for a couple days from Ian. Sending prayers out to everybody in Florida and along the storm path. Just for all those that are affected, that they'll get relief quickly. Yeah, absolutely. So, but I thought it'd be a good chance to take a look at starting a fire in the rain. I've collected some materials here along my property line. It's a conifer, bunch of dead and kind of soggy things. So I'm gonna, I brought my tinder bundle from home, which consists of dryer lint and a little bit of straw bundle. See if I can start it naturally that way. If not, we're gonna break out some accelerant and see what it takes to get a fire going on a rainy day. So, bunch of dryer lint. I cleared the site, and I'm gonna go with some of the drier conifer. Some sticks up here. Also got some pulled and tufted twine. Not use all of that. And let's just say that our lighter got wet, so I'm going to use magnesium and ferrocerium rod with the striker. I'm going to scrape off magnesium shavings into my tinder bundle. And generally I like to strike the other way. I like to actually pull the ferrocerium rod up. But we're going to go down into the tinder pile this time because the magnesium's down there. Oh, we got fire. What am I doing? Here we go. So I've got this kind of in a, what I've done here is got a V shape. Here's my smallest tinder and kindling here, and then I've got two piles on either side. They're going to dry out while the middle fire gets going, and then I'll move these over as they dry and keep adding larger and larger